said this is mushroom season. Tell me a little bit about that. Like, do we get a lot of mold and mushrooms here?
We do. Mold and mushroom like warmth.
Okay.
And they like wet. And for our mushrooms, they also like the mulch or the wood and things like that. They're decomposers.
Okay.
They are also a sign of a healthy ecosystem. If you're having a healthy forest, you will have mushrooms in that forest. If you lose your mushrooms, something's going on in your forest.
Okay.
And there's been studies that mushrooms actually communicate with each other. They are the fruiting part of the plant, the rest of it's under the ground. And there's been studies that saying that not only do mushrooms communicate with each other, but they actually help the trees communicate from tree to tree. And if you had one tree that, say, it was missing some sort of micronutrient, and maybe it's a pine, and over here there's another pine that has plenty of this. The mushrooms will talk. This plant will quit taking up so much of that micronutrients, so there's more available for this plant.
Is that real?
Yeah, they've done studies and shown it's real, yes. It's amazing. It's kind of like the natural internet that came around before we even had the idea of the internet.
That's fascinating.
It is. You don't realize how important some of these little pieces in an ecosystem are.
Yeah, no, I was unaware that plants, A, had the ability to communicate, B, would even do that.
Because it's like you're kind of thinking, okay, these plants have a little bit of altruism in them.
Yeah, it's almost like we're watching Lord of the Rings, and then this one's going to crawl up and then start walking, and then getting a bunch of the nutrients. Yeah, that's interesting. That's fantastic.